Hello everyone, let's learn how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. For some reason, you might not want everyone to know about your life on Facebook. It can be how old you are, what you do, where you live, and even the friends you have. So in this tutorial I will show you how to hide your mutual friends. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Facebook app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Then you will come on this menu, and next you need to click on little gear icon in top right corner of this menu. When you do that, scroll it down to audience and visibility section, and when you go on second option, how people find and contact you. Now you can see a couple of options, and you can change any option you want, but we are interested in second one, who can see your friends list. This option offers you to set audience who can see your mutual friends. You can set to public. Next you can set that only your friends can see, and you can set that only you can see, and we will set that. So on that option, click on blue button in the top right corner of that option. And that will open side menu, and next you need to select last option, only me, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.